Here we have Wise Block, and it's a 2-in-1. So you could either do a skating Frenchie or a skiing cat, and they are gonna do
the dog.
The Frenchie. All right. Each package is labeled so it's easy to find. So just go ahead and follow the instructions. Open the pack you need. Here are the stickers for the eyes, and there's the instructions. That's for the skating Frenchie, and this is for the skiing cat. So let's see how it looks when they're done. Here's the skating Frenchie, about halfway done. We still got a few more pieces to add. And we're on page 14. Here's the skating Frenchie. We got the little eyes from that sticker right there. I need to finish the other 3 legs, and it'll be complete. It looks good so far.
And the cat.
Here is the skating Frenchie on his skateboard, and this is the finished product.